up, everybody? Of course, I turned my camera on a second too late. I slammed the back of a fucking diesel because of some cock stain. But anyways, so we're gonna do shoutouts installment number 2. And hopefully I can make it through with all the people I had in my mind. Because I didn't write nothing down. I just went through my list and was like, oh, that person, that person, that person. But one person I've had in my mind since I did the last one. Actually, before I did the last one, I meant to shout this person out and I did not do it. And the reason why I really wanted to shout him out was because, now, I haven't asked him this and I'm not 100% sure about it, but I'm pretty sure he has been subbed to me just about since I started YouTube. Like, almost from the beginning. Like, he was like one of my first subs. I don't know if he stayed subbed to me the whole time and if he quit and came back or not, but I do know that he was one of my first subs. Long times ago. And that, sir, is StevoFS. He's a pretty good dude. He's pretty damn loyal to, you know, subs and as being a sub. Makes some pretty good content himself. Come on, people, let's go. Let's go. But yeah, makes some pretty good content himself. I've been subbed to him for a very long time. I've been subbed to him since I first started YouTube. So, you know, go over and check him out. Link in the description below. That was fucking nerdy and I did it. Oh well. Anyways, next one. Bibble. I know a lot of people know who Bibble is. I know he's kind of been quiet for a while, but he's still making videos. Pretty good dude. Gave me a little bit of shit. Well, him and another guy gave me a little bit of shit about not shouting out no Brits or Europeans or, you know, any of those kind of peoples. So Bibble, here's your fucking shout out. My voice just cracked. Mama, I hit puberty. Anywho, next one, Moto. Young kid, good kid. I like bullshitting with him. We're actually in a chat together with Knuckles TV, Fatboy R6, 6-pin, MLC Rider, Salvadorian Boy. Hell, y'all just got more shout outs. God damn it. Whatever. But anyways, Moto, he's a good kid. I like bullshitting with him. Go check him out. And as always, I'm not telling you to go sub to these people, but I am asking you to give them a chance. My next one, and actually a lot of y'all probably already know who this guy is, but me and him have comments back and forth, and we like to mess with each other on Facebook and on Instagram, and hey, we talked a little while, but he's a fucking good dude, funny as shit, and he's a part of the Shade Tree Army, and that would be Mr. Bobber Fenn. He's a good dude, really is. Funny as hell. When he does make videos, he's not fucking drinking beer and fishing all the goddamn time. He makes some pretty good damn videos. My next one, MotoSteve. And I know a lot of people already know MotoSteve because he's got his new shit. But if you don't know MotoSteve, at least go over and check his shit out. It's pretty funny, most of it. So go over there and give him a quick check out.
I want to go fast.
I want to go fast. But anyways, go over and check out MotoSteve stuff. His news is pretty funny. And even though I've already mentioned his name, but MLC Rider, I like watching his videos. I actually have not been subbed to him for very long. But I have just recently become sub to him. Shit, I don't know. I mean, it's been a little while. I like watching his stuff. It's actually really good content. I keep saying it's actually really good, like everybody says it's shit, and I'm telling you it's really good. It's not shit, it's good content. I enjoy watching these people, otherwise I wouldn't give them shout outs. I wouldn't tell y'all to go check them out. Now granted, I know my taste isn't the same as everybody else's, you know, it never hurts to give people a shot. But I think that's probably going to do it for this edition of shout out. Most people shout out like 2 or 3 people. I'm doing like fucking 6 and 7 and shit. Like I said, if y'all go over, check them out. I'm not asking you to sub to them, but I'm asking you to give them a shot. Tell them I sent you over there. Let's see, y'all will see the race video before this one, so hope y'all enjoy the new race video of first one of 2018. Wow. And I will catch you on the flip side. Later.